Yeah.
Hey loves, welcome to episode 3 of how to do your own makeup series, and today we are doing cream product placement. Now let's get into the right placement for your cream contour, cream blush and cream concealer. Place your contour on the hollows of your cheeks, around the forehead, along the jawline and lightly on the side of your nose to add definition and warmth to your face. Next, for blush, apply it slightly above the contour on the cheeks and blend it upward for a lifted soft glam effect. Then place your concealer under the eyes, on the center of the forehead, down the bridge of the nose and a little on the chin to brighten and highlight the face. And when you're done, your cream product placement should look like this. Now grab your damped beauty blender to gently blend everything together seamlessly until the makeup looks smooth, soft and well melted into the skin. Now I'm just blending and I'm using the pointed side of my beauty blender to blend my concealer. To achieve a smooth finish, you must do this process properly, like blend every step properly. Now I'm using the other side of my beauty blender to blend my blush. Now you're gonna blend your blush upward for a lifted soft glam effect. And make sure you don't drag when blending, just bounce it on your face like so. I'm blending the outer corner of my eyes upward to give me that lifted effect. Then I went ahead to contour my nose to add definition and make it snatch. Make sure to blend it out after contouring. Can you see how all the product melted into my skin? Now I will set the face using my Merac setting powder in the shade Curry. Take a little setting powder, dab and remove the excess and apply on all the areas you highlighted. Just dab like the way I'm doing. And also set all the contour areas with a darker shade of powder. If you have watched up to this point and gained value so far, please hit the subscribe button and like this video and also share it to your friends. After setting with setting powder, I went ahead with a compact powder to further set the under eyes. And also set all the areas you contoured with a darker shade of powder. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Episode 4 will be dropping soon. Stay tuned. Then lastly, I went in with my shade of powder to set the rest of my face. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.